Hello friends, welcome to Tutorialspoint. In this tutorial, we will see how we can connect the Web Intelligence reports to HANA. So, in the prior versions, that is the BI 4.1 or earlier, we can only connect the Webi with HANA using the universe. But now, with the release of the BI 4.2, we have the different ways to connect the Webi reports to the HANA views. So, we have these four different ways to connect the Webi to HANA. First one is using the universe, then with the direct connection with the HANA modeling views, then the SAP HANA online connectivity, and after that using the Freehand Sequel. So let's see one by one how we can use these options. So here, this is my Webi Rich client. If I want to create a new report using the universe first of all, so I will click on the create a new document. I will select the universe from here as a data source and click on OK. So once we click on OK, it will show us the different universes which are available into our repository. After that, we have to select the universe which is based upon a HANA. So this is our universe which is based upon a HANA, and we will select it. So it will load that universe into the query panel. So here we can see all the different classes, measures, dimensions, and we can use them all in our Webi report, and we can drag them to the result objects. We can add the query filters. We can see the data preview in this window, and then we can run the Webi report on top of that. So for that, first of all, we have to create the universe which is based upon the HANA DB, and after that, we have to use that universe on top of the Webi report. So now the second option is how we can connect using the HANA. So we can also connect directly on the SAP HANA views as a data source. So to do that, we can simply select this option and click on OK. So here in this, we have to select first of all the connection. In this connection, we will go to the folders we have, and here under that we will be able to see the calculations and the analytical views which are created under this folder. So if I go to my SAP HANA Studio and if I expand the content tab, so I can see the same packages which are there in the Webi report, they exist in the HANA DB. So if I expand this training, so I can see the same analytical view, calculation views which I can see in the Webi report. They are available in the HANA DB as well. So we can select any of the view and we can click on OK. So once we will click on OK, it will show all the available objects into the query panel from this particular view. So here we can see all the different dimensions and the measures which are available in the view, in this particular view which we have selected. So they are available in the query panel and we can choose them into our result objects and we can run a report. We can create a report based upon this view. So now let's discuss about the third option, which is the HANA online connectivity. So if I go here and if I select the SAP HANA Online. So in SAP BO for the 2, there is an option of using the HANA Online connection, which will allow the Webi client to connect directly to the HANA views. So there is no need to build a Webi query for using the HANA Online connection option. So this option, it will list the connection, and after that, once the connection is selected, it will show the packages and the corresponding views, and when the HANA view is selected, it directly connect to the Webi reporting layer. So there will be no query panel in this scenario. So let's see how we can do that. So let's say if I select this option and click on OK, it will show us the connections. And from here, let's say if we use the same package training and if we select the same view. If we click on OK, So now we will see that there will be no query panel. Rather, we are inside the report directly. So we are in the design area directly. There is no query panel in the online connection. So this is the difference between the HANA online connection and when we connect the HANA views directly into the Webi. So in the online connection, you will not get the query panel, whereas in the other option, you will get the query panel. So now let's close this. And then let's move to the fourth and the last option, which is the Freehand Sequel option. So in the BI 4.2, a new option which is the Freehand Sequel is introduced in the Webi that will connect directly to the HANA views. So when you connect using the Web Intelligence tool that connects using the Freehand Sequel option, the tool lists down all the HANA relational connection from the BO server. When you select the relational connection, the tool provides a query script editor to write the query. So let's say if I choose this Freehand Sequel option and I click on OK, so here it is showing all different connections which are available. So I will select the connection which is my relational connection, and here I got this query script window. So in this query editor window, we can write a select query to form the query for the reporting. On the right side, we have the option of run, query option, and the list of available objects in the tool. So now what we will do is that we can write down the query here, and after that we can either validate it, we can copy it, we can undo the changes, and once we will click on OK, so we will be able to get the data into the Webi report. So in this tutorial we have seen how we can connect our Webi report to the different ways to the HANA DB. Like we have seen how to connect using the universe, how to connect to the HANA views, how to connect using the HANA online, and then the Freehand Sequel. Thank you.